Hello guys, my name is Luis, I'm from Brazil, and welcome for another video. So, like you can see, I am inside the nature, and you can see my shadow right here. That's who I am. That's my bag that's my case, I'm sorry, that's my case with my guitar, acoustic guitar. That's my sandals, my earphones, my bottle. Ever remember to drink water? Never forget to drink water, okay? Drink water every day, 2 liters a day. Okay, so it's not about it, this video. This video is about sun and nature. Okay, look that. Sun is so important for us. Sun have a D vitamin. And the sun give us, beauty. This video is not just about the sun, okay? I want to show here the place. How beautiful this place. Look at this rock. Let me just Okay, so let me do that. Let's walk a little bit to find another beautiful place. Look that. There's some eagle flying around. I don't know if it's not an eagle. It's other bird. It's a buttree or a buttree. I don't know how to spell it, but I will learn. So right here you can see a lot of grassy and some plants, beautiful plants, colorful plants, like you can see yellow and pink around. I think that's a tea grassy. That's some crickets jumping. I will show the crickets jumping after I will show the crickets jumping. And I'm here really because I want to show this place, because it's so beautiful to stay inside the nature. We can feel so better. You can breathe a different oxygen, and you can breathe looking at the nature. Just appreciate the nature, if you know what I mean. I would pull up on this rock. God damn, look at that. Well, that you can see the X in this rock, and you can see a high number of trees around. Yeah. I'm recording this video just because I want to practice my speech, I don't want to show how good I am speaking English. I just want to practice my speaking because I don't have anyone to talk. So I have to talk alone. If I'm talking alone, so I can practice myself. And in the future, maybe I will talk with someone that is a real speaker. So right here I feel like I am at the beach, but don't have the ocean around. I'm feeling like I'm in the beach, but don't have ocean around. Let me take that. Look at that, another X right here. God damn, why they put this X right around here? You can see. Look. I will enter this grassy, and we will stay in another beautiful place. I'm sorry if I'm speaking slowly. That's because I'm not practicing English, I'm just listening. And yeah, my listening is very good, but my speech is so bad. I'm sorry about it. And I'm here just to inspire you to enjoy the nature. You know, I'm ugly. I'm not a successful man, but I can enjoy the nature. And first, my English is speaking with the video. I think a lot of people can do that. Enjoy life and learn language. You know, learning language can take you to another far places, to good and far places. Look that. Sometimes comes a horse here and they eat this grassy around. And sometimes you can see some reptiles like lizards walking on these rocks. And you can see crickets jumping around the grassy, between the plants, between the trees. You can see some butterflies flying and some dragonflies. Dragonflies are so, fantastic. They are really fantastic because look at this name, dragonfly. They look like a really little dragons but flying. And you can see a bee coming. Look at that. Bees. There are a lot of bees around. If you find a bee, I don't know if have bees on this kind of forest, if I can call like that. Oh my god, that's my bad angle. I can put this. So I have just 30 minutes, a half an hour to do this video. Should I come at the morning? So I will come in the morning other day, because today it's not a good hour to really talk and stay here. I have just to back home because the sun is going. And look that. The sun reflection in my skin is so beautiful. I like sun. Everybody should like the sun. So in some images I will show the place. Okay, I will record this place and show around how. And okay, let's talk about other things. I can see an airplane flying in the skies. It's kinda not so big. It's not a big airplane. And like there you can see a bird flying next to the airplane. Not so next, but And you can see, the wind here is so good. The wind right here is so good because you can feel the pure nature. It's so calming. It's not so calming because sometimes you can fight some dangerous animals, like maybe you can fight a snake here. I never seen a snake, inside the nature or between this grassy, but you have to be careful because sometimes can appear for you. And sometimes can appear some spiders, but the spiders are not so aggressive like some snakes. And okay, let me sit down. And I will put my cell phone right here. And now I will make some exercises because life is like you have to eat and make exercise. Let me change this and go. First we have to stretch our back, extending all the muscles and pushing up these muscles, stretching for up Goddamn, if someone look at me doing that, I would feel so weird, so awkward. It's not so weird to stay here, but sometimes I feel shame about these things I do. I'm kind of crazy guy. People look at me and say, "What this guy is doing? He's talking on their language and make a stretch." That's what I think, but maybe not. It's not the truth. Okay, let me keep stretching my body. Let's keep an exercise. So the hands and the arms are so important because they relax either the shoulders and consequently your cervical spine. And finally you can I will cut this part of the video. I don't want to show. I will make some exercise, like some push-ups. That's how we can enjoy the nature. You can make exercise inside the nature. You can feel yourself like a Homo sapien. And we are all Homo sapiens. We are so intelligent. We are strong. We have abilities, individual abilities, and talents. And we can share these things with our friends. And we have friends. Not everyone have a friend. But society protects you sometimes. It's not totally protect because we have robbers, we have criminals, people, and we have racism and a lot of things like that in society. These things who can make you sick, depressed, anxious, and not happy, not enjoying the life. But life's here. Life's here. And you can enjoy it if you want. Let's do this exercise. I'm taking my breath. Oh yeah. So hard. Goddamn, I need water. I'm kinda failing.